Hi, to enable power saving mode on your Redmi Watch 5 Active, as a first step, wake up the watch and press the side button to open the list of apps. Here we need to find and select settings, and after that, just scroll a bit so you could see this battery tab. And now we can see this feature Ultra Battery Saver, which is power saving mode basically. So here you can see remaining battery, which is 12 days and 11 hours, and with Ultra Battery Saver it would be 19 days and 11 hours. So to enable it, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, only the clock and step count will be available when this feature is enabled. You would need to press and hold the power button for 3 seconds or charge it to turn off this mode. So let's try to turn it on by pressing the check mark. And now it is loading, so as you can see we got here only time, date and our battery percentage. So let's disable those mode. For that I'm gonna press for 3 seconds this side button, and now it's gone. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.